welcome back to Hear Yourself. This is Sandeep Mittal, Technical Director at Anotone, talking this week about office design with respect to acoustics, the trends of the past and the trends of the future. As you know, I founded and was the principal consultant at Sound Designs, an acoustical consulting firm from 1999 to 2014. That's when we did many in office design, working very closely with architects, PMCs, contractors, consultants, end clients, and vendors. So now you know where all this is coming from. Happy employees means productive employees, means happy employers, means happy workplaces, which are sure to be voted the best workplaces. Happiness for sure is state of the mind, but it also comes from comfort, which partly is due to good acoustics. Stakeholders to an office project can ignore acoustics only at their own peril. Acoustics is important, very important, period. Troubleshooting post-occupancy can be very expensive, disruptive, and less effective. Acoustics embedded in design from the very initial stage saves time, money, and efforts. Hence this episode. At Anotone, we have always believed it's good practice to reference current international standards for good design that results in great acoustical results. ASTM E1374 Standard Guide for Office Acoustics is a guideline document along with other reference standards within it. Just one more thing. ASTM standards are the most developed and comprehensive for office acoustics. You have to hand it to the Americans. No other standards organization has done as much work as ASTM for office acoustics. Lobbies and corridors. Gone are the days of plain bland white walls and ceilings that used to be echoey. Now the trend is for cheerful lobbies and corridors with a primary ceiling of white grid tiles like Surge Astral or Snaz Pixel and a secondary ceiling of colorful acoustical baffles or clouds in strand or subtext finish that bring joy and effective acoustics. The walls too are vibrant and cheerful. Workstations and breakouts. Again, gone are the days of boring white grid ceilings that have been so common for decades. Now is the era for colorful acoustical ceiling panels like Strand 1 with graphics patterns and a secondary ceiling of baffles or even wooden ceilings with skeleton grids in the same color. Walls too follow the new age vibrancy theme with lots of colors. Breakouts can also have acoustical lighting, which is both functional for acoustics and for lighting. Telepresence and AV conference rooms. These are specialty spaces with a lot of audio-video equipment and hence precision acoustics that matches the critical requirements is very important. Top lock dry walls with field STC of 49 ensure required noise isolation provided the openings like HVAC ducting and doors are equally noise rated. Important also is how they are installed. An ASTM E497 standard practice for installing sound isolating partitions comes in very handy. Ceilings were old style grids. Ceilings are sober pastel shades with matching grids like strand filler and skeleton grids or even wooden finishes and secondary ceiling of floats like clouds. Panels are slim graphics or stretch. For telepresence rooms, the walls are pixel smeary as the painted surface has to match to global standards of such rooms for uniformity. AV can also reach very upscale boardroom levels with sophisticated elegance. Meeting and discussion rooms. Gone are the days of executive cabins for officers. Instead, meeting rooms with exotic names and themes are time slotted by senior executives for different kinds of meetings. Depending on the theme, the trend is for colors and prints that match. Strand nubby on ceilings and slim on walls or stretch. Walls can also sport discrete acoustical panels like Subtext KLH. And oh yes, first of all you would need a noise isolating envelope for STC 44 as in glass or tough block drywalls. Telephone and solo booths. This is absolutely new age and for the future. These kinds of spaces never existed before. Light acoustics is the need here for the conversational audio. Slim panels with surface embossing or prints work very well. Training rooms and mini auditorium. Well, ANSI S12.60 acoustic design of schools comes in handy here as the performance criteria of large classroom is what training rooms is all about. Strand filler or subtext navi on ceilings, sometimes combined with wood, and a secondary ceiling of colored baffles or clouds is what works very well. Walls would be slim sculpt or slim graphics, sometimes strand shapes and stretch as well. Mechanical rooms are air handling unit rooms, nothing architectural about them but functional and yet important in terms of noise. ISO 15667 guidelines for noise control by enclosures and cabins comes in handy here. Mechanical rooms these days feature double skin AHUs with good noise and vibration isolation characteristics, but it is still noise, maybe in the center of the floor plate. Hence, a good noise isolating envelope of STC51 with tub lock dry walls and matching noise rated openings works very well. The internal walls and ceilings of such rooms are lined with Surge Astral clip-on. Gymnasiums and hobby rooms, these feature funky design that simulates the occupants to go higher, faster, further. Quirky and kishy with a kaleidoscope of colors, perforations and prints works very well for these kind of spaces. Cafeteria, multipurpose halls, town halls. The cafeteria is no longer a humble canteen. Cafeteria is the go-to space for anybody and everybody to chill. It's also the venue of town hall meetings where all the employees can be addressed at once. Thirdly, they also serve as multi-purpose halls for company events like exhibitions, product launches and cultural events. Hence, the cacophony of a cafeteria, town hall speeches and multi-purpose socio-cultural events becomes important in terms of acoustical requirements being very different, which all have to be met together. Old style multi-purpose halls always had a wide grid ceiling, and that's because they had no choice. Now, the primary ceiling can be strand ebony and secondary ceiling can be acoustical clouds or baffles that work well. You can even have coffered ceilings with acoustical inserts, a very neat solution by Anutone. And what is new and for the future is strand wave glow, that you can have acoustical lighting as a unique solution for both acoustics and lighting in a single package. Talk about innovation and creativity from Anutone. Lastly, we come to labs and hubs. These are less critical spaces for acoustics, though they need good noise isolation. And internally, the ceilings can sport baffles of different widths or different levels, like strand door, slim door, and slim wave as well. Walls are slim or stretch, and this is where innovation, new technologies are tried out. Yes, the office space construction industry is back to boom as I speak to you now in September 2020. And if you missed our previous videos, do visit our website and under the media tab you'll find them all. Just to make sure that you receive the videos in future, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for notifications. This is Sandeep Mittal, Technical Director at Anutone, signing off, and until the next time, bye bye.